If your shower screen seal or bathroom seal looks like this and you want to remove all this mold that is building up and the dirt, find out at the end of the video how I transformed it to this. So I literally have a paste that I use to ensure all the buildup literally comes off. So stick to the end of the video to find out how I make sure these are clean. Not many people actually know you can take out the seals, so join me and see how I do it. To clean this, just have to pop it out like so. It literally comes off like that. Like that. So we want to clean in between, so these bits, these lovely discolored parts, so we can actually clean behind there. Cleaning product I'm using is citric acid and a little bit of washing up liquid. Stick to the end to see how I make it. If you don't have this, you can just get yourself any cleaning toothbrush and it just goes inside. So any cleaning toothbrush works just as well. Dissolved. All the dirt has come off. Yes, you just take it off and clip it like that so it does come off. And those really hard to reach areas. So we are going to rinse it all off. Do you have another video? If you look on the right hand side corner over here, you can click to watch how I clean the seals using a different product. Don't want to use citric acid. One of my subscribers actually told me about citric acid, so this is why I made this video, show how well it works. So now I'm going to put everything back. The trick here is to align everything, the grooves in the correct place. So I start at the bottom first, that I find that it's easier to just slide and do everything else up going up. So align the base first. So you just need to align it in the correct manner. I aligned in properly to slide right in. Right. And then they just slide in. Just clip it in. And that's all done. Now to show you how I make the paste. Because we're working with citric acid, please wear some gloves. So you're going to need a tablespoon and a little bowl that you're going to put the mixture in. So grab your citric acid and then you're going to get your washing up liquid. So these are the two things you're going to need. Firstly, I pour the washing up liquid in. Depending on how much you're wanting to use, just pour as much as you need. I'm just winging it over here. I'm just going to pour, I think, 2 tablespoons to this mixture. So depending on how concentrated and how thick you want it to be, you can leave it the way that I've just done it right now, but I am going to actually add a little bit of water because I want it to be a little bit more runny, because I want to put it on different surfaces because I'm cleaning the whole bathroom. So on tiles and yeah, I like to use it, so I like to make it, you know, this runny. So I add a little bit more citric acid so that it covers a little bit more of the surfaces that I am going to use it on. That's just basically the paste. You can add more water or add more citric acid depending on what you want. I hope that makes sense, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Bye.